Okay, I want to water this video, share this video. Chimarin Temple, J-Pack, and Akwa okuko Tiwalake, who are the founders of the modern day Okite that almost finished our youth. May our youth hadu lazy. May I feel na money nenu ukwu isi we nada by me ekwado one nonsense na one pot. At first, when Chimarin Temple brought the work of native doctors na Facebook, he did it claiming that nande pastor na apụta na Facebook, but nande mmadu na-eme ifele na ọwụrụ na mmadu kwuo na alụ dibia or na mmadu na-eje na nke nwa dibia, that no offer need for that. He brought the work of the native doctors, one of the first native doctor gbalụ n'ihu akwụkwọ na alụ ọrụ ya n'ihu akwụkwọ. We said, okay, let us see. After all, during the time of Chimarin Temple, his mode of operation was somehow different from what we are seeing now. Now, Akwa came up. Akwa, enweghị ka ndị mmadụ aka esi wee mmalụ onye akwawo, if not by the help and collaboration of J-Pack. It was J-Pack who used his platform to do exactly what Okongu Dibia and the Ogajiki are doing today. He gave Akwa the coverage and the reach Akwa needed to get to people. Akwa we modernize this Okite. We invent this Okite, Igbo, Arrow, and a lot of things. We package ye. We put any with the help of J-Pack in your platform. Yeah, they were able to sell that jargon to the people. And today, the rest is history. Every other thing content no kita ana Akwa lead in those when follow in collaboration with J-Pack, because no nya wonye meluke eva potani huwa. It's so sad that there was a time Olulu Onyaka na Okongu Dibia mba claiming that no Okongu Dibia neja wande Dibia ni huwa na yeji 2x2 wekuwe, but omo no nya wonye standard one of the biggest alo Igbo, because now I still call Akwa okuko today Bishop Ndomenana. That is what I still call him today. Bishop not Bishop Ndomenana, but Bishop Ndewadibia. Nyari the others they follow. Every single format on a use today and a use today in the present day Okite and they work on Igbo. When they work and those on a follow. Oh me. Even during the time of acquire physical properties, or if mome ogomoto ego olo hotel halo olu no gosi halu no gosi. So now they are role model ha na anya, and the onye nyere aka we plant that tree na enye nsogbu today J-Pack. I wonder why he is still silent with what is happening na Igbo. Is he now ashamed that na mkpụrụ ahụ ọkụrụ bear another fruit? Does it mean that this fruit mkpụrụ ahụ bear abụrụ ife ha plan or ge beer? But I want to tell you people that Chimarin Temple, Akwa okuko, and the J-Pack know how the history, the foundation, and the Bidolu, this present day alo today. Tata. When they prioritize money, contrary to Ife Juwe the dibia na Igbo before, they prioritize money. Ego we say the order of the day. In order to make that money, they start devising means and they bawatin safa just to make sure they whoop that ego from pocket people. That was even how you heard the story of Echakam. Yes, you heard the story of Echakam Ababa. All those things we program designed just to get money out from people's pockets. So I just want you to know that in Ifa de Menankete, these are the people who introduced this biggest scam of all time. Igbo. Yeah? Think about it. Yeah? Think about it. You cannot talk about a problem without making reference to the foundation. This is how we got to where we are today. Prior to this, we all know what the according to Ntris Wemara, the easiest thing. 200 naira, 500 naira, 1,000 and K drop these days. They packaged it because they have to pay for their media they have to pay their media crew. I don't know if they turn themselves to content creators, but what I know is that this is one of the greatest injustice J-Pack email to Ndebai, and don't will got every door or second door kajikose, ndo kajigarese. When you grew and helped to perfect the biggest scam of all time in Igbo, you ought to go all in the name of Okite and the magical pot. You ought to go. So you still deserve to give Igbo apology. It deserves to give Igbo apology. I don't know what you are thinking, but this is exactly how I see it.
Those people need to this is the building. The guy been on the this damn floor guy up here. So zone. So those suspects are now. Can see the building. This is the building. This is the building. About close to so I will tell you, this is the house. About the main condition of this one, about kitchen, about the room, about room. Can you go motor? If you go over, the show we are here. Oh, I was here near there. On the emoji apple. So this is the room here. Funny in the room here. So I've got a room here.
Okay, forget. Okay, forget. If I will ofonye n'ime nda jetolo Chief Justice member House of Assembly we gbuo ya egbuo ndị asịrị na onye ha jidere na fada hapụ ya na fada egbu ya egbu ọsọkwa ogo kwụọ 1 billion nyasị ka ejidelie wee kpọrịa wee ruo na apartment ya not wee kpọrịa wee break ya apartment ya wee busta Bible, rosary, holy water, olive oil, pastor nyeliye okute water from mountain, ajachita from mountain, pastor nyeliye as a jana no yoneje. So this is why you hear people saying arrest ya the dibia say arrest upon the pastor. I can understand if olive oil na holy water enye gasịrị ya ka o wee wụrụ ife jana o ji eje atom ndị mmadụ na so I agree with these people. Arrest the native doctors, arrest and the pastor nile, assume the native doctors, assume the pastor nile, because you see what they are doing. Hane wulu ife don so eji adota contact from God. Wori we na eje ndere emi ife ojo. Ha we wori eje na community crime do as heavy as igbu mmadu. Esen na pastor nyere onye ifa need ke meri ebere. Pastor ahụ nyere onye ifa enid oke meri ebere. Enid re ikpọpụta eko wa niile gba ya nene ka ofu ka ime arụsi ado. Because arụ na ekweghị eme. Ndị pastor. Look at nke do n'ihu na nke do n'ime. Ana ekpezi ekpele onye owe ekpele ewu kọrọ ụmụ ife nsọ edogasịrị asọ wee nye mmadụ o wee wuri eje na commit crime. You can see clearly why. Ndị mmadụ ji wee na-eti mkpu maka na ebe nwata na ebe akwa halụ aka nne ya nọ ebe a nna ya nọ ebe a. So I agree with these people. Ifu eziokwu wee ju na ihe ekwu ye. Ifu eziokwu wee ju na ihe ekwu ye. That thing you find its way back to your house. That is what we call karma. One of our reality not on the ground. You are still the tipu CC. Na bisi na aja na chogono. Now the fight is Soludo na embarking there. Now they will accomplish more with the native doctors. And you know, me Zohi, me Tonto, me all those evil. You know the people do highly behind it. Even for them the pastors are who fake in our job, who one day he address what their root from what dibia in your home. It's always stand here before we end the ebeni. You know, like they play. Everyday spirituality doesn't exist. The only spirituality exists in your dictionary. Spirituality of Okite, spirituality of Igbo, Christianity of spirituality of Igbo. So now the only spirituality that exists in your dictionary. They play. Mobile guy house to house search and don't search the FIFA way goes wedo. Say all go do na ya happy. Say why you name me interview na camera. Can them mad of fear. Na almost all these guys in the Nigerian bottle catch go wesel to go garese eberejo kwa work spiritualities go we scam and then obodo kiwe funa hanchanine do wacha ogu be ha kiwe funa hanchanine do wacha ogu be and then obodo wo nwe ne je ebe nwa dibia here. I rest my case. O kunu soro nwe to so ozi aka ndị mmadụ wee fụ alụmde pastor na eme n'obodo a. Daalụ.